Hey everybody, I'm here in the middle of Germany somewhere and I just had the idea for a new camera angle and I'm gonna try to mount it on the bike now, and yeah, I will show you how I do it. So let's try it. I have this selfie stick and I thought, how would it be if I just put it on the rack? So I'll try that now. Yeah. The bolts. So one more. Just to make sure it will not fall off. Oh, one more. Just the moment you put your camera on something, you want to make sure it doesn't fall off. Long enough. Okay. Does it look cool now? Somewhere I have isolation tape. Always works for me to fix up whatever I have. This whole talking while doing stuff and in front of the camera is pretty new to me, and it's weird to start, but I'm sure I'm gonna get used to it. So that should hold it in place. Yeah, let me show you. Alright, so that's pretty solid, and I can mount the GoPro here. Once I did that, I can just always pull it out and have this antenna-like thing, and I hope it's good enough to shoot. Alright, looks pretty cool. Looks kind of like a huge antenna. Ridiculous. Oh man, I just love my bike. Such a beauty. Alright, let's try it out with this little baby here. Let's see how it looks like. Oh yeah, that is cool. Alright, let's get on the road with that. So, get this show on the road. So the wind is pretty intense, but alright, it has already gone down. That's not what we want. You have to pull it out a lot. Try and make it straight. Ah, here we go. It already moved a bit. Quickly gonna stop here. See if I can fix it a bit. Alright. Let's just give it another try. Gone down again. Gone down. Oh, just stop here. It's now filming the hard case. I will, for now, tape it off a bit. That should hold it up just in place. Oh. So how does that look? Huh. Okay. Let's try it one more time. That should hold it now. I think for this trip, it's gonna be fine. I look in the rear mirror, looks pretty cool. For now, stay. Cool. All right. So I'm gonna unmount this. yeah, for now, if you like that little video and maybe it inspired you, or maybe you already know a better solution to this or a better selfie stick, just write it in the comments and let me know. Alright, goodbye people.